Good morning. I am Dr. Itilekha from OBHR Department of Birla Institute of Management Technology. Gone are the days when digitalization and AI-driven automation were just the fancy words, mostly discussed inside the boardroom. Today, they are the integral part of every business. And it is not just the AI, the contextual reality of the workforce has been exponentially evolving with the changing expectations of the new workforce. Apart from this, there is a growing concern towards the diversity and inclusion. There is a changes in the legal provisions, the OD interventions, new competencies are coming up at the workplace. Everything has changed the landscape of the workplace. Hence, it is the time to revisit the HR policies and practices. It is the responsibility for all the business school to prepare its young budding manager to face those challenges and prepare them with the data-driven decision-making skills. Keeping all these things in the mind, we at BIMTech curated a much-needed FDP on pedagogical advancement for the new age HR for our young scholars and young professors. I am sure the content that would be delivered in these 7 days would definitely enhance your knowledge base. So, see you there. Thank you so much.